Okay. In our previous videos, we saw how to find the rank of matrix by using echelon form and normal form. Okay, each concept I made two videos. Okay, now I'm going to tell you the concept of system of equations. So this is the very important concept and easiest concept. Okay, system of equations. Basically, equations are two types. One is homogeneous linear equations and non-homogeneous linear equations. Okay, what is homogeneous equation? What is non-homogeneous equation? I'll explain you now. Later, I'll explain you what is augmented matrix, what is rank of augmented matrix, what is rank of given matrix, and what is the meaning of consistent and inconsistent equations. Okay, inconsistent system of equations. First, I'll explain you what is homogeneous linear equations. In this video, we only discuss about what is homogeneous linear equation. So, I'll tell you now what is homogeneous equations. Homogeneous equations. My handwriting is not that much good, but mathematics students no need of handwriting, you know that. Okay, thank you for understanding. Okay, so plus and so on. Here instead of x y z, I'll take x1, x2, x3 because we can't write n number of variables, right? So okay, a1n xn is equal to b1. This is the first equation. So second equation, a12 x2, sorry, second row first column, a22 x2, a23 x3 plus and so on, a2n xn is equal to b2. This is second equation. Next, third equation, a32 x2, a33 x3 plus and so on, a3n xn equal to b3 and so on, an1 x1 plus an2 x2 plus an3 x3, an3 x3 plus and so on, ann xn is equal to bn. So these are the system of equations. So if the system of equations said to be homogeneous, then this all constant terms, these are the x coefficients, a11 a12 are the variable coefficients, but here there is no variable, so these terms are the constants. So if the all constant terms are equal to and so on, bn equal to 0, means if there is no constant in the given system of equations, then the equations are said to be homogeneous equations. Simple. If there is no constant terms in the given system of equations, then the system of equations are said to be homogeneous. I'll tell you few examples. Okay, for example, I given 2x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 0, 3x plus 2y plus 8z equal to 0, 4x plus 5y plus 7z equal to 0. If the constants are, there is no constants, so these all constants are zeros, then this system of equations said to be homogeneous equations. So now how to convert augmented matrix? Augmented matrix is nothing but ax equal to b. So what is a? A means all coefficients. a11, a12, a13 and so on, a1n and so on, an1, an2 and so on, ann. This is called A. What is X? X means you have to write the coefficients, variables. What are the variables? x1, x2, x3, so on, xn. So you have to write all variables, x1, x2, x3, so on, xn. Ax equal to b. What is b? B are the constant terms. Anyways, in homogeneous equations these constants are zeros, but in non-homogeneous the constant terms will exist. So here b1, b2, b3, bn and so on, bn. If you multiply these two matrix, you will get the resultant matrix or resultant answer here. Okay, so these equations will form simply. If you multiply this, we will get the given equations. So for these equations, if you form the augmented matrix, how? Coefficients first: 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 8, 4, 5, 7, x, y, z equal to 0, 0, 0. First 2x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 0, you will get first equation. 3x plus 2y plus 8z equal to 0, you will get second equation. 4x plus 5y plus 7z equal to 0, you will get the third equation. This is the form of converting augmented matrix. Later on I will tell you what is non-homogeneous equation and what is consistent, what is inconsistent. Till then, bye bye, signing off. If you have any doubts regarding homogeneous equations, do let me know in the comments.